how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing perfect and enjoying your studies too. So children, welcome to today's class. Our today's topic is why is the snail so slow? आपने एक क्रिएचर के बारे में सुना होगा या उसको देखा भी होगा, वो है स्नेल. स्नेल के बारे में हमें बताया गया है या हमने देखा भी है कि वो काफ़ी स्लो जो है मूव करता है. क्यों वो इतना स्लो है वो इस चैप्टर में बताया गया है. So let's start the chapter. Summary से पहले start कर लेते हैं. Reaching towards the end of this lesson, students will be able to comprehend the story of why is the snail so slow and understand the moral lesson about the consequences of pride and selfishness. Students will expand their vocabulary related to the story, practice reading comprehension and develop critical thinking skills through a series of questions and activities. This lesson aims at encouraging students to reflect on the importance of humility and the impact of one's actions on their own life and those around them. स्टार्टअप कर लेते हैं. हैव यू एवर मेट समवन हु चेंज बिकॉज दे बिकम टू प्राउड. शेयर यूर एक्सपीरियंसेस. तो आपने कभी किसी को देखा है जो काफ़ी प्राउड हो जाता है या अपने कोई चीज़ को लेकर के अपनी कोई भी क्वालिटी को लेकर वो प्राउड होता है. तो वो जब प्राउड हो जाता है, जैसे आपने देखा होगा आपकी क्लास में किसी बच्चे की बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ़ की जाती है स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा, टीचर के द्वारा, तो उसमें एक घमंड आ जाता है. तो क्या आपने ऐसे बच्चे को देखा है उसे चेंज होते हुए? What do you think is more important, being fast and proud or slow and humble? Why? तो क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, फास्ट होना, प्राउड होना या फिर स्लो होना, हम्बल होना? Long ago when Mother Earth was young and animals looked quite different from the way they are now, the snail was quite different too. He was a long, slim creature with a very light and soft brown body and a tiny little curly tail. He had no feet and legs with which to run, but even so, he was one of the fastest creatures in the animal kingdom. He slithered along the ground with a lightning speed, stretching and arcing his back high, and he moved so fast that he was almost impossible to keep up with. आजकल जो हमें एनिमल्स देखने को मिलते हैं वो पहले के टाइम पे ऐसे नहीं थे. जैसे जो डायनासोर्स हैं वो तो विलुप्त हो गए हैं, लेकिन अभी भी कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जो उस टाइम पे भी रहा करते थे, लेकिन अब उनकी बॉडी क्या हो गई है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंज हो गई है, मॉडिफाइड हो गया है एज पर द टाइम. तो इसी तरीके से जो स्नेल था उसकी बॉडी भी उस टाइम पे कुछ और थी. उस टाइम पे वो काफ़ी फास्ट हुआ करता था एज कम्पेयर टू नाउ. Rapidly gliding snakes, hawk-eyed owls and even leaping frogs found it difficult to catch him as he zipped across the ground on his smooth belly, leaving behind a fine trail of silver to show that he had been there. वो इतना फास्ट था कि उसे खाने वाले जितने भी एनिमल्स थे, बर्ड्स थे, वो उसे पकड़ नहीं पाते थे, इतनी तेज उसकी स्पीड थी. बस उसकी स्पीड ऐसे पता चलती थी कि वो यहाँ से गुजरा है. वो एक सिल्वर थिक कलर का एक लिक्विड जो है वो अपने पीछे से छोड़ता था. द स्नेल लाइक टू चैलेंज अदर स्मॉल क्रिएचर्स ऑफ हिज नेबरहुड टू रन अ रेस टू सी who would win, and how proud he was when he came out the victor. The slow lumbering turtle, the crusty crab with 8 bow legs, and even the ugly bouncy toad were left far behind in every race he challenged them to. The slippery eel and the quietly gliding water snake were also vanquished by the swift snail, who always whizzed past the finishing line first. उसे अपने फास्ट होने का इतना घमंड था कि वो सारे जितने भी क्रिएचर्स थे, स्मॉल इंसेक्ट थे, एनिमल्स थे, उनसे क्या करता था, रेसिंग लगाने के लिए, चैलेंज करने के लिए कहता था. All these victories soon changed the snail's attitude, and his pride in his speed and prowess changed to conceit. Whereas he was merely vain earlier, now he became so sullen-headed and puffed up that he was unpleasant to have around. He was rude and extremely scornful of his neighbors, especially when it was house hunting time and all the creatures were looking for comfortable homes for themselves. अब उसकी जितनी भी विक्ट्रीज थी, उसका एटीट्यूड जो था वो क्या हो गया था, अब वो घमंडी हो गया था. ठीक है. The fat toad was the first to find a nice place of his own. It was a safe, cool, muddy place under a large rock, and he settled into it contentedly with a satisfied croak. "Come and see my home," he called out proudly to the snail. The snail hurried to the spot. The happy Toad gave him a warm welcome, and as the snail looked around, he said hospitably, "You can also move in here with me if you like. There is a plenty of room and I am looking for a roommate too." अब एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक फैट टॉड ने उसको अपने घर पे बुलाया, उसने उसको अपना घर दिखाया, ठीक है, किसको, स्नेल को, और उसको कहा कि तुम मेरे रूममेट बन सकते हो. "Huh," said the snail rudely. "What a terrible place is this is. I wouldn't dream of moving in with you. A superior creature like me needs a superior place too." So saying, he dashed away. वो कहता है कि है मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहूँगा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मेरे जैसा सुपीरियर क्रिएचर को सुपीरियर प्लेस ही चाहिए, और ऐसा कहकर वो वहाँ से चला गया. He soon passed beneath a large tree, and as he looked up, he saw that it was bustling with activity. A large squirrel with a bushy tail, which had made a snug home in a deep hole in the tree's trunk, peeped out at him. A pair of pigeons were busy building a nest on one of their higher branches of the tree, and a small black bat was hanging upside down and sleeping peacefully. A little mouse had burrowed into a little hole near the roofs of the trees, and the snail could see lots of earthworms and spiders who were also living on the trees. अब वो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ता है तो वो देखता है ट्री में कुछ एक्टिविटी हो रही है, वहाँ पे कुछ अलग अलग क्रिएचर जो है, अलग अलग एनिमल्स जो है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, अपना अपना घर बना रहे हैं, घोंसला बना रहे हैं, ठीक है. It was a lovely place to live, quite peaceful and shady, but the snail shook his head and decided that it was not the home for him. "Too many others are living there too," he murmured, "and I don't want that. I want a place all to myself. I am, after all, the fastest creature around." वो कहता है मनी मन में, वैसे तो ये ट्री अच्छा है, रहने लायक भी है, लेकिन वो कहता है मैं इन लोगों के साथ नहीं रहूँगा, ठीक है. वो कहता है मैं मुझे अपना खुद का घर चाहिए. The snobbish and selfish little snail continued on his way looking for a home. He came across a large anthill teeming with hundreds of little red ants. They were all too busy to notice him, and he decided that this exclusive colony was obviously no place for him. He met a crab who lived in a snug little crevice in a stone wall, and the crab pointed out helpfully that the wall had plenty more of such cubby holes, and the snail could easily move into one of them. But the snail rebuffed the crab's attempts at neighborly behavior, and with a rude snort sprinted away. अब वो जो स्नेल था वो आगे बढ़ा, कुछ और जो लोग थे जैसे क्रैब्स वगैरह हैं वो अपना घर बना रहे थे, उन्होंने उसको ऑफर किया कि आप हमारे साथ रहो, लेकिन उसने साफ मना कर दिया. As he was running without looking where he was going, he backed into a round hard object. He rubbed his head and looked at the object carefully. It was a large brown cone-shaped shell. It looked very attractive, and as the snail poked his head into it carefully, he found that there was no one in it. With a little chortle of delight, the snail decided then and there that this was the perfect home for him. It had rooms only for him, so he would not have to share space with anyone. It was very safe too, as no unwelcome intruders could ever enter it. It was the perfect home for the unsociable and rather conceited snail. अब एक बार वो क्या कर रहा था, आगे भागता हुआ जा रहा था और वो एक राउंड सी चीज़ से टकराया, एक शेल से वो टकराया, ठीक है. उसने अपना हेड रब किया और उस ऑब्जेक्ट को ध्यान से देखा, फिर उसने उसको ऑब्जर्व किया. वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा था. जैसे ही उसने उसके अंदर एंटर किया, उसे वो जगह काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही थी. उसने कहा कि ये जगह मेरे लिए अच्छी है और मेरे लिए ही बनी है, इसके अंदर सिर्फ मैं ही आ सकता हूँ, ये मेरे ही लिए बना है, मैं इसमें किसी और को एंटर नहीं करने दूंगा. He quickly crept into the shell and with a little twisting and turning found that he fitted in very snugly. His little tail was hidden from the view, of course, but he did not mind this much, as this would only be when he was at home. Then, tired from all his exertion, the Snail closed his eyes and fell asleep. So when he woke up a little later, he felt quite refreshed and decided to go for a run in search of food. He tried to get out of his shell, thinking that he could slide out easily, but to his dismay, he found that he was wedged so tightly into it that he could not move freely. Sticking his head out, he began to struggle furiously with all the energy he had, but it was of no use. Try though he might, he could not get his body out of the cell or shake it off, and finally, in disappointment and exhaustion, he gave up all the time being. अब क्या हुआ? वो उस शेल के अंदर घुस तो गया, उसने आराम भी किया, लेकिन जब उसे बाहर आना था, उसे लगा अब मुझे भूख लगी है, मुझे खाना ढूंढना चाहिए, लेकिन वो उस शेल से बाहर नहीं आ पाया. But he was still very hungry and it was long past his meal time, so he decided to hurry along to get a tasty morsel for himself. He tried to arc his back on his usual way before he started his sprint. But he found to his horror that the shell which was clinging to his back was very cumbersome. It was very heavy too, and he realized that he could only crawl along at the very slow pace. Gasping and panting, he tried very hard to regain some of his old speed, but it was impossible. The snail, which had been the fastest creature, had become, due to his own selfishness, the slowest. As the predicament sunk in, he was horrified. अब वो क्या कर रहा था? जैसे ही चलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, वो चल नहीं पा रहा था, क्योंकि वो जो शेल था वो उसको मूव करने ही नहीं दे रहा था फास्टली. तो उसको भी जैसे जैसे मूव कर रहा था, वो उसका शेल जो था उसकी पीठ पे, वो भी उसके साथ साथ मूव कर रहा था. तो वो काफ़ी हैवी था, तो उस शेल के साथ मूव करना उसके लिए काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो पा रहा था और उसकी स्पीड भी स्लो हो गई थी. The shell, which has seemed the best place in the world to live all by himself, now seemed so cramped and was an enormous burden that he could have to carry always. The snail cried hot tears of regret and wished heartily that he had not been so conceited and selfish. But all his regrets were of no use. To this day, he crawls along very, very slowly, with his tail hidden out of sight, and the shell is on his back forever. तो जिस चीज़ को, जिस शेल को वो अच्छा प्लेस मान रहा था अपने लिए, वही उसके लिए क्या बन गया? बोझ बन गया. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि हमें अपने टैलेंट का, अपने पावर का घमंड नहीं दिखाना चाहिए. Word bucket, vanquished means defeated thoroughly. Conceit means excessive pride in oneself. Snobbish means having or showing the attitude of people who think they are better than others. Crevice means a narrow opening of a fissure, especially in a rock or wall. Intruder means people who intrude, especially into a building with questionable intent. Cumbersome means large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use unwieldily. Regret means feel sad, repentant or disappointed over something that has happened or been done. हमने चैप्टर पढ़ लिया. अब इसकी एक्सरसाइज पे आ जाते हैं. थिंक एंड आंसर, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हाउ डिड द स्नेल मूव फ्रॉम बिफोर ही फाउंड द सेल? कैसे मूव करता था? स्लोली करता था, ऑन फीट करता था, बाय जंपिंग करता था, या विद अ लाइटनिंग स्पीड? तो विद अ लाइटनिंग स्पीड मतलब जितनी स्पीड से एक लाइट गुजरती है उतनी स्पीड से वो भागता था. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follows. Extract 1. He slithered along the ground with a lightning speed, stretching and arcing his back high, and he moved so fast that he was almost impossible to keep up with. How did the snail move? कैसे move करता था? He slithered along the ground with a lightning speed. Extract 2. But he was still very hungry and it was long past his meal time, so he decided to hurry along to get a tasty morsel for himself. So the question is, why did the snail decide to hurry along? Because the meal time was already past. मतलब जो उसके खाने का समय था वो already निकल चुका था, इसलिए उसे और भूख लग रही थी. Extract 3. He quickly crept into the shell and with a little twisting and turning found that he fitted in very snugly. His little tail was hidden from view of course, but he did not mind this much, as this would only be when he was at home. So the question is, why did the snail decide to move into the cell? क्योंकि उसको वो जो शेल था वो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था, उसको लगा कि मैं इसमें ईजिली क्या हो जाऊँगा, फिट हो जाऊँगा और किसी और के साथ ये रूम जो है शेयर नहीं करूँगा. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. The snail was once the dash creature in the animal kingdom. तो क्या होगा, फास्टेस्ट क्रिएचर आप लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक बार वो फास्टेस्ट क्रिएचर था, अब वो जैसे उसको वो शेल मिला उसके बाद वो क्या हो गया, स्लो हो गया. Write true or false for the following statements. The snail was kind and humble before he found the shell. No, he was not kind and humble. तो आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, false लिखेंगे. Answer the following questions. Why did the snail become rude and scornful? क्योंकि उसको अपनी जो स्पीड है उस पर घमंड था. Values inside. How does the story of the snail teach the importance of humility? Discuss the consequences that follows selfishness as depicted in the story. तो आपको स्टोरी दोबारा से पढ़नी है और उसके क्वेश्चंस क्या वैल्यू आपको मिलती है ये आपको बतानी है. Word power. An anagram is a word or a phrase created by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. Every letter from the original word must be used once and no extra letters are allowed. Here are some examples. Listen can be rearranged to form silent. Dormitory can be rearranged to form dirty room. तो एनाग्राम जो होता है ये आपका ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड होता है या फिर फ्रेज होता है जो कि लेटर्स को रीअरेंज करके बनाया जाता है. ठीक है, जैसे क्रिएट एन एनाग्राम फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जिनका अगर आप वैसे पढ़ रहे हो तो भी मीनिंग है, लेकिन इनको क्या करना है, अरेंज करना है और मीनिंगफुल वर्ड में आपको चेंज करना है. जैसे कि फाइंडर, इसको आप रीफाइंड भी लिख सकते हैं. अगला है नोट्स, इसको आप स्टोन भी लिख सकते हैं. Use the anagram provided to fill in the blanks in the sentence. The teacher told the student to dash their assignments on the bulletin board. Bulletin board में टीचर ने क्या करने को बोला, पोस्ट करने को बोला. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ पे पोस्ट लिखेंगे. Grammar stroke reading and writing skill. Noun clauses. A noun clause function as a noun in a sentence. It can act as a subject, object or complement and often starts with words like that, what, whether or if. Examples. What he had been so proud of was his speed. Here what he had been so proud of is a noun clause acting as the subject of the sentence. That this was the perfect home for him was a relief. Here that this was the perfect home for him is a noun clause acting as a subject of the sentence. Adjective clause क्या होते हैं? An adjective clause or relative clause modifies a noun or pronoun in the main clause. It usually starts with a relative pronoun like who, whom, whose, which or that. Examples. The snail who always whizzed past the finishing line first was very proud of his victories. Here who always whizzed past the finishing line first is an adjective clause modifying the snail. The shell which was clinging to his back was very cumbersome. Here which was clinging to his back is an adjective clause modifying the shell. Adverbial clause. An adverbial clause modify a verb, adjective or adverb in the main clause. It provides information about time, cause, condition, context or manner and usually starts with the subordinating conjunction like because, if, when, although, etc. Examples. When he woke up a little later, he decided to go for a run. Here when he woke up a little later is an adverbial clause modifying decided to go for a run providing the time. Because he was hungry, he decided to hurry along to get some food. Here because he was hungry is an adverbial clause modifying decided to hurry along explaining the reason for his action. Now identify the types of clause, noun, adjective और adverbial in each sentence. अब यहाँ पे आपको sentences को पढ़ना है और clause के type को बताना है कि ये noun clause है, adjective clause है या adverbial clause है. द स्टूडेंट हु स्कोर्ड हाईएस्ट इन द क्लास वॉन द अवार्ड। तो यहाँ पे किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? स्टूडेंट के बारे में बात हो रही है। तो यहाँ पे हु स्कोर्ड हाईएस्ट इन द क्लास ये आपका नाउन क्लाउज है। Complete each of the following sentence in your own words using the given clauses. The teacher asked a dash during the lesson. So the teacher asked the question during the lesson. A speaking time, divide the students into small groups and assign topics related to greed and contentment. For example, it is better to have a big luxurious home or a small cozy one, or it is more important to have many friends or a few close ones. Ask each group to discuss and debate their topic using examples from the chapter to support their arguments. आपको क्या करना है? स्टूडेंट्स को ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है और उनके सामने ये टॉपिक रखना है कि आपके पास बड़ा लग्जूरियस हाउस होना ज़रूरी है या फिर आपके पास स्मॉल कोजी हाउस होना ज़रूरी है, आपके पास काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स होना ज़रूरी है या फिर आपके पास एक अच्छा फ्रेंड होना ज़रूरी है। तो इसमें आप डिबेट करेंगे, ठीक है, अलग अलग स्टूडेंट्स अपनी बात इसमें रखेंगे। लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी, लिसन टू द स्टोरी रीड बाय योर टीचर केयरफुली एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। तो जो स्टोरी आपको आपके टीचर सुनाएगी वो आपको ध्यान से सुननी है और इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है। Life skill activity, what are some ways you can take care of your own environment to ensure it remains healthy and thriving? Think about the impact your daily actions have on your surroundings. What small changes can you make to reduce your waste? Conserve resources and protect wildlife. तो वाइल्ड लाइफ को आप कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे आप कंजर्व कर सकते हो रिसोर्सेज को, इसके बारे में आपको बताना है। Writing activity, recall a moment when you had to rely on others or handle things on your own. Describe the challenges, how you managed it and how this has shaped your views on teamwork and self-sufficiency. Connect your experience to the snail's story including the following points. फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स को आपको इंक्लूड करते हुए आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है और आपका एक्सपीरियंस जो होगा वो बेस्ड होगा स्नेल की स्टोरी पे, ठीक है। आपको ऐसा कोई मोमेंट रिकॉल करना है जिसमें आपने अपनी कोई चीज़ पे घमंड खाया हो या आपने दूसरों की कोई चीज़ हैंडल की हो, ठीक है, या कोई भी चैलेंज आपके सामने आया हो तो आपको क्या करना है उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना है। तो ये आपको यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, जैसे चैलेंज है, अप्रोच, इम्पैक्ट, लेसन। लेसन भी बताना है कि आपने जो भी वहाँ पे इंसिडेंट आपने फेस किया उससे आपको क्या लेसन मिला। Project activity, research and create a presentation on how various animals have adapted over time to survive in changing environments. Pick 3 to 4 animals from different habitats. Example, Arctic, desert, jungle. Describe physical and behavioral changes. Example for migration. Add images or diagrams showing each animal adaptation. Explain how these animal changes are or unlike the snail's new shells. Show how these adaptation help the animal survive better. तो आपको क्या करना है, रिसर्च करना है और आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट करनी है अलग अलग एनिमल्स पे जो टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या हुए हैं, चेंज हुए हैं। मतलब पहले के टाइम पे उनकी बॉडी शेप कुछ और थी, धीरे धीरे उन्होंने क्या किया, अपनी जो एनवायरनमेंट है उसे अडेप्ट करने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी बॉडी भी उसी तरीके से अडेप्ट कर ली। तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं कि उनका डिफरेंट हैबिटेट कैसे चेंज हुआ। आप अलग अलग हैबिटेट के एनिमल्स ले सकते हो, उनके फिजिकल और बिहेवियर चेंजेस को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो। आप इसमें इमेजेस वगैरह, डायग्राम्स भी बना सकते हो कि उनकी पहले की इमेजेस वगैरह कैसे होती थी, कैसे उनकी बॉडी मॉडिफाई हुई, कैसे ये जो एनिमल्स हैं ये चेंज हुए। तो आप इसमें जो स्नेल का जो इम्पैक्ट है या जो स्टोरी है उससे भी आप यहाँ पे रेफरेंस ले सकते हैं। So children, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now you will revise the chapter and practice the given exercise to understand the chapter thoroughly.